These are the largest owls in the world. The mother is keeping her chick warm, so the father must provide food. He knows exactly where to find it, but to catch it, he needs a set of special skills. This is a Blakiston's fish owl. He has exceptional night vision. Even in the gloom, he can spot the flash of a fin in the turbulent water. Parent birds share duties. One patrols the river, while the other waits patiently for a delivery of food. It's a relationship built on trust, where one partner expects the other to play its part. Somebody has waited long enough. If you want something done, it's best to do it yourself. For this chick, dinner is now served. And it seems that someone is out in the cold for the rest of the night.